Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Civil Stuff by Wahid. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe. So today we'll try to do one problem directly from textbook regarding rate analysis or analysis of rates, quantity surveying. Now here they are asking to prepare a data sheet and calculate the cost of the items given below. Now cement concrete is one item and RR masonry is one more item. So these two items, in order to prepare this cement concrete of 1:4:8 using 40 mm HBG metal of how much? 1 cubic meter. Now what are the things required here? Here required is 0.92 meter cubes of HBG metal, 0.48 meter cubes of sand and 0.115 meter cubes of cement. Okay, this will be given in the question. Okay, and here 0.2 numbers of mason are given. When they are giving 0.2% numbers of mason, you have to take 30% of first class mason and 70% of second class mason. The condition is when they give labor charges separately for class 1 and class 2. We'll see now. Next, 3.2 numbers of mazdoors. 3.2 numbers of mazdoors. This is the material and labor required for preparing cement concrete of this ratio. And coming to this one, this is another item, that is RR masonry in cement mortar 1:6 for 1 cubic meter. For that, you are supposed to want the quantity of rough stone of 1.1 cubic meters, 0.34 meter cubes of cement mortar and 1.8 numbers of mason, 2.8 numbers of mazdoors and LS sundries. For round up we will be using that one. And see, you are going to prepare these materials at the site itself, right? But those materials are available at different sources. For that, you are supposed to bring them with some convenience charges. Convenience, right? So here they have given the lead statement of material. Now see here, 40 mm size HBG metal, this one, how much it is? These are old rates actually. Now you won't get for these rates. 42.50 per cubic meter. Now this is the cost of material of 40 mm HBG metal at source, and it has to travel around 10 kilometers on metal road. MR means what? Metal road. And what is the conveyance charges? 2 rupees per kilometer. Means in order to transport 40 mm size HBG metal of 1 cubic meter per kilometer, they are charging 2 rupees. Means 10 means it will be around 10 to 20 kilometer, 20 rupees, right? We'll see. We have to first prepare the lead statement only. How to calculate the lead statement, we have seen done previous videos. Okay, coming to sand. Sand is rupees 4. Now it is around thousands, 4,000, 5,000 per tractor, like that. Okay, per 1 cubic meter, and it has to travel around 8 kilometers to reach our site on metal road. And what is this? 2 rupees per 1 kilometer. Next, rough stone. Okay, rough stone 16.5 rupees per 1 cubic meter, and it has to travel around 5 kilometers on metal road to reach our site, and the cost is rupees 3 per kilometer. Okay, and coming to cement, it is around 1200 rupees per 1 ton, which is directly available at site. Okay, so these are the next. What else we got about the details of metal, sand, cement and rough stone? Now labor charges are very much important. Okay, now here labor charges per day. Okay, mason first class, if the mason is of first class category, 23 rupees. Now it is around 1000 or 1200. Okay, 750 rupees, like something is there. Every year it will be changing. Next, mason second class, it is 17 rupees. Okay, next mazdoor 12 rupees 50 paisa. Okay, and coming to hand mixing charges of cement mortar per cubic meter is 4 rupees. So this is the data given. This much question will be given, and generally 2 questions from this chapter will be coming in earlier scheme of paper, but now you may get 1 question. Okay, now first, as per the data, we have to prepare the lead statement. Means, what is lead statement? You have to calculate the cost of material at site. The question given is cost of material at source, but they have given the distance also. For that, see, material 40 mm HBD, everything given data up to here. Up to here it is given data only. 40 mm HBG metal 42.5 rupees, 42.5 rupees per 1 cubic meter. It has to travel 10 kilometers on metal road. MR is nothing but metal road, and conveyance charges is 2 rupees per kilometer. So 10 kilometers into 2 means 20 rupees. Now 42.50 plus 20, it is around 62.50. Here the cost of material at site after reaching the cost will be like this. Coming to the sand, per 1 cubic meter it is around 4 rupees as per given data, and it has to travel 8 kilometers and 2 rupees per kilometer to travel. So 8 into 2 it is 16. So 16 plus 4 it is 20, and you can see here the cost of material is less than the conveyance. Okay, but now per tractor, depending upon the conditions, whether it is a rural or urban, minimum 4,000 to 6,000 they are charging for tractor. Okay, and for tipper it will be around 20,000, 15 to 25,000 around sand. Okay, coming to rough stone, 16.5 rupees at the source, and it has to travel for 5 kilometers on metal road. Per kilometer they are charging how much? 3 rupees. So 3 into 5, 15. Overall together it is around 31.5 rupees. Since the cement is available at the site itself, okay, it is 1200 per ton. Okay, or 1728 per cubic meter. Now, how you got this 1728 per cubic meter? This is 1200 rupees per ton, 1000 kgs into 1440. Okay, if I do like this, you will be getting around 1728 rupees per meter cube. See, what is this 1440? 1440 kg per meter cube is the what? Density of your cement. Okay, like that you are going to get. Now here, up to here it is a lead statement. Okay, next, data for cement concrete 1:4:8. Now see, everything I am writing the same. 0.92 meter cubes of quantity, 0.46 is required, and 0.115. Now how these are come across means, these are available in where? Standard data book. Okay, standard schedule of rates. SSR is different. SSR is different. In this SSR you will come across the cost of material like that. Okay, what is standard data? In this standard data, everything will be available like this. For preparing cement concrete 1:4:8, how like that you will be having, right? So here quantity 0.92, 0.46, 0.115. Now they have given 0.2 numbers of mason, but in labor charges, if you can see, they have given mason, first class mason of 23 rupees and second class mason as 17 rupees. For that reason, in the description, while data is given, 0.2 into 30% of first class is to be taken. Okay, and second class per mason of 70%. Right? So rate here it is 23 and 17, and this is the cost per day. So whether they work whole day to prepare this one? No. That is, this 0.2 is that one. Actually, whether 0.2 number of person will be there? No. But depending upon the time how much they are taking. For that, suppose for example a person works of 8 hours, but for preparing this one it is around half an hour. Based upon that one they will be calculating and they will be writing like this 0.2. Truly speaking, 0.2 number of person will not be available, right? So depending upon the time for preparation this one, and the person per day how much hours he may work, based upon that one they have calculated, right? So based upon that one, next 3.2 numbers of Mazdoors are there. Now what are these rates? These rates have come across from here, lead statement, that is cost of material at site C. HBG metal 62.50. Next sand is 20 and cement is 1728. Why I have taken 1728? Because 0.115 meter cubes. Okay, for that reason I have taken rate for meter cube. So based upon this one, multiply this quantity with the rate so that you will be getting the amount. Okay, 0.92 into 62.5, like that every row. If you go on doing, you will be getting this one. Now summation of this one, you will not get 310. You are going to give round up. LS sundries means further you may add something or something like that. For that they will be giving some feasibility of fund. For that reason, write that this is the data for CC. Okay. Now next one is data for RR masonry. Now how this RR masonry constructed? With cement mortar, right? RR masonry in cement mortar 1:6 for 1 meter cube. First we have to calculate the data for cement mortar separately. Okay, so here in order to prepare cement mortar 1:6 of how much? 1 cubic meter, we required 1 cubic meter of sand. What about cement? 1/6. This ratio 1/6 of cement is required, and mixing charges separately given as 4 rupees. Now here cement mortar, even though we are calculating for 1 cubic meter, but we will be taking amount for as per our requirement. We will see now next in the next box. So here in order to prepare cement mortar 1:6, sand required is 1 cubic meter, cement required is 1/6. And the rates are as per the what? Lead statement. 20, 1728 and 20 rupees, 288. Based upon calculation, it is costing around 312 rupees to prepare cement mortar. Now we'll jump into the quantity total amount for preparing RR masonry with this cement. Now this is what RR masonry. Rough stone, how much it is required quantity? 1.10. What is the rate? 31.50. From where we got? From the lead statement. And cement mortar 1:6 for preparing 1 cubic meter of RR masonry, how much is required? 0.34 only, right? But what is this cost? This is the cost per meter cube. So multiply 312 with 0.34, you will be getting around the quantity amount for the 0.34 meter cubes of cement mortar. Similarly, first class masonry, as I said you, 30%, second class masonry has 70%, and Mazdoors has 2%. So everything you are going to get right. So this is the basic problem from rate analysis you will be expecting. Okay, so for sometimes directly cost of material at site will be given. At a site will be given. Then in those situations, no need for making this lead statement. Okay, but when the cost of material at source is given, then definitely they will be going to give this conveyance charges column, so that you can understand that you have to prepare a lead statement, then have to go for a data. Okay, right. Thank you for watching.